Hello all. In this video, you're going to learn the rules of question tags. In English, the rules of question tags are a little bit easy to learn. And if you watch this video carefully, whenever you get questions on question tags in your examinations, like in competitive exams, you can do well without any mistakes. Not only that, when you're speaking, you can use these question tags effectively without any mistakes. Before going to the rules, first I'll tell you the structure of a question tag. So in the question tags, we use a statement and a tag. We use a statement and a tag. And this tag, in the tag, we always use contractions of the helping verbs, auxiliary verbs, and a pronoun. So first, you must be perfect with the contractions of the auxiliary verbs. So let us see the list of the contractions of the auxiliary verbs. Then we shall jump to the rules. Here are the contractions. If you take is not, isn't is the contraction. I am not, I am not, I am not. Are not, aren't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Do not, don't. Must not, mustn't. Need not, needn't. Would not, wouldn't. Will not, won't. Should not, shouldn't. Ought not, oughtn't. Shall not, shan't. Could not, couldn't. Does not, doesn't. Did not, didn't. And cannot, can't. So like this, we use contractions. You have to learn this because we use contractions in the question tags. Now let us see the rules. Starting with the basic rule of the question tag, I said a statement and a tag. So when you're using a positive statement, we use negative tag. Always we use negative tag when it is a positive statement. Look at the examples. He can swim, can't he? She is beautiful, isn't she? So in this, he can swim is a positive statement. So we are using negative tag, can't he? And whatever the helping verb we are using in the statement, we use the same helping verb in the tag. And the same pronoun which you have used in the statement, we use in the tag. She is beautiful, is. So here we are using isn't. And she isn't she. And other basic rule, vice versa to that first one. A negative statement takes a positive tag. So if statement is negative, we use positive tag. Look at the examples. He cannot swim. Can he? She is not coming. Is she? So here cannot, a negative in the statement. So we are using can he in the tag. She is not coming. Is not in the statement. So we are using is she in the tag. So these two are the basic rules of the question tags. And the next one. If there is no auxiliary verb in the statement, we take the help of do, does, did. For example, in tenses, in all the tenses we have we use helping verbs, auxiliary verbs, except in simple present and simple past when you're making a positive statement. For example, I play cricket every day. So this is simple present positive statement. So if you want to make it as a negative, we take the help of do. I do not play cricket every day. To make a question, we use do I play cricket? If it is with he, she, it, third person singular, we take the help of does. He does not play cricket. Does he play cricket? So in simple present, we take the help of do or does to make a negative or interrogative statement. Same with the simple past. I played cricket yesterday. I did not play cricket yesterday. Did I play cricket yesterday? Like this. So in the question tags, if there is no auxiliary verb, first check the tense, what tense it is, whether it is simple present or simple past. Based on that, use the auxiliary verb do, does, or did. Look at the examples. She takes coffee, doesn't she? He went out, didn't he? So like this, we use do, does, did when there is no auxiliary verb in the statement. Next, semi-negative words. Little, few, hardly, scarcely, rarely, seldom. We treat them as negatives in the question tags and we use positive tag. So semi-negative means they are uh, neither positive nor completely negative. So for question tag purpose, we treat them as negatives and we use positive tag. Look at the examples. Few people attended the meeting. Did they? We could scarcely understand what he said. Could we? They seldom meet me. Do they? Little progress was made, was it? So here, few, scarcely, seldom, little. We treat them as negative words and we add a positive tag. Next one. Little and few are negative, but a few and a little are positive. We treat them as positive and we add a negative tag. Look at the examples. A few people attended the meeting, didn't they? A little progress has been made, hasn't it? If it is few people attended the meeting, we treat it as a negative and we add did they. Little progress has been made, has it? So few and little are negative words. A few and a little are positive. Based on that, we add negative or positive tag. Next, everybody, everyone, somebody. Actually, we use singular verb after this, but in the tags, we treat them as plural and we add they in the tag. So everybody, everyone, somebody. In the question tags, we treat them as plural and we use they in the tag. Look at the examples. Everybody can't be pleased, can they? Everyone appreciated the magician, didn't they? So like this, we have to use whenever there is everybody, everyone, or somebody, use they in the tag because we are treating them as plural. Next, suggestions. Whenever a suggestion starts with let's, always use shall we in the tag. Look at the examples. Let's have a game of chess, shall we? Let's go to a movie, shall we? Let's help him, shall we? So like this, whenever the suggestion starts with let's, use shall we in the tag. Next, none of. Uh, After none of, we use singular. None of the boys has. But in the question tags, we treat that as plural and use they in the tag. But in the question tags, if it has none of in the statement, use they in the tag. Look at the examples. None of the students attended, did they? None of the clerks came, did they? So like this. So whenever there is none of, use they in the tag. Next, if you're using some of you in the statement, use you in the tag. Look at the examples. Some of you are learning French, aren't you? Some of you did not do the work, did you? So some of you in the statement takes you in the tag. Next, Imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are orders, requests, commands, etc. When you're using an imperative sentence in the tag, use will you in the tag. If you are using imperative sentences in question tags, so statement is imperative, use will you in the tag. Look at the examples. Open the door, will you? Don't be late, will you? Like this. Imperative sentences take will you in the tag. And last, uh, peculiarities. So here in the question tags, we have the basic rule. When the statement is positive, we are using negative. When statement is negative, we are using positive. And we are using the same helping verb, which has been used in the statement in the tag, and pronoun. But look here, whenever you're using am in the statement, I am right, for example, we use aren't I in the tag. So you have to make note of it. You have to look at this difference. And there, when sentence starts with there, use there in the tag. There is a mosque in that street, isn't there? So mosque means you are not supposed to use it in the tag. Always use there because the statement started with there. There are some girls in your class, aren't there? Like this. So these are the few rules uh, and important rules related to question tags. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this. And if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice time.